Europe, the land of iconic landmarks and unforgettable experiences. We all know about the Eiffel Tower in Paris, the Colosseum in Rome, or the canals of Venice. But nestled in the heart of the Balkans, there's a hidden gem, often overlooked by the usual tourist trails. Albania, this small mountainous country bordered by the Adriatic and Ionian seas, holds a treasure trove of beauty, history and culture waiting to be explored. Albania, for too long shrouded in mystery and misconception, is emerging as one of Europe's most exciting new destinations. Its unspoiled landscapes, ancient ruins and vibrant cities offer a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. Whether you're seeking sun-drenched beaches, historical wonders, or a taste of authentic Balkan culture, Albania promises an unforgettable journey. So why should you choose Albania for your next European adventure? Because it offers something truly different. It's a place where you can escape the crowds, immerse yourself in unspoiled nature, and experience the warmth of genuine hospitality. Albania's coastline is a breathtaking tapestry of secluded coves, pristine beaches, and sparkling turquoise waters. Stretching along the Adriatic and Ionian seas, this hidden gem offers a paradise for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts alike. Imagine yourself basking in the Mediterranean sun on the white sands of Ksamil, often dubbed the Ionian Pearl. Venture further south to the Albanian Riviera, where dramatic mountains plunge into the sea, creating a landscape of unparalleled beauty. Explore hidden coves accessible only by boat, each one a secluded paradise. The Albanian Riviera is a haven for adventure seekers, offering opportunities for hiking, kayaking and paragliding against a backdrop of breathtaking scenery. For those seeking a more laid-back experience, the beaches of Durrës, Vlora and Sarand offer ample opportunities for sunbathing, swimming and simply soaking up the Mediterranean charm. Savor fresh seafood at beachfront restaurants. Sip Albanian wine as the sun sets over the horizon, and let the gentle sea breeze carry your worries away. Albania's rich and layered history is etched into its ancient ruins, medieval castles and Ottoman-era architecture. This land has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a legacy of fascinating historical sites. Step back in time at Byrek National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the ruins of this ancient Greek and Roman city. Marvel at its well-preserved amphitheatre, and imagine the gladiatorial contest that once took place within its walls. Journey to Gjirokastra, a UNESCO-listed city known for its distinctive Ottoman architecture. Wander through the cobbled streets, admire the towering stone houses, and visit the imposing Gjirokastra Castle, which offers panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. In Kruja, visit the Skanderbeg Museum, housed in a 15th century castle, and learn about the Albanian national hero Gjirj Kastrioti Skanderbeg, who famously resisted Ottoman rule. Albania's historical sites are not just remnants of the past, they are living testaments to the country's resilience, cultural heritage and enduring spirit. Albanian culture is a vibrant tapestry woven with ancient traditions, warm hospitality and a love for good food and company. Experience the true essence of Albanian hospitality in the warmth and generosity of its people. Share a meal with a local family and savor the flavors of traditional Albanian cuisine. Indulge in hearty dishes like Tavë Kosi, lamb baked in yogurt byrek, savory pastries and kofta meatballs. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Albanian festivals, where music, dance and folklore come alive. Attend a traditional wedding, witness the energy of a folk dance performance, or listen to the soulful melodies of Albanian folk music. Albania's cultural heritage is best experienced through its people, their stories and their traditions. Engage in conversations, learn a few Albanian phrases and embrace the opportunity to connect with a culture that is both ancient and alive.